How to fix the Xbox 360 red ring of death. As you can see, you have 3 rings, one is missing the 4th, so that is showing that there is a problem with the system. All you do is shut it off, unplug it, then you need to start dismantling. So to do so, you take the faceplate off, set that off to the side, then
sides.
You have to come up top here, pull the top off. They're a little stubborn, so just be careful pulling it off so you don't break it. That's one side. You take the bottom here. It should pull off pretty decently easily. It should look like that. And you come to the back here with a small flathead screwdriver. Force into here, and here, and then that should pull right off. Come up to the front. You need to dislocate these clips that are here. There's one right here. And one over here. And once those are off, all the latches should be released.
Can I do this part?
And then
Do this part?
then you need to remove these screws, the driving screws, which are the longer set ones.
You need to remove all of them. If you have a small drill, it might work a little easier. Put the drill somewhere the screws somewhere you're not going to lose them. Now, there's little black screws here that you're not really going to need to remove unless you're completely dismantling the hard drive portion of it. What this is going to do is it's going to take off the other side of the case so you can see the complete inside. If I could unscrew a little faster, it would go a little better. As you can see, I'm doing this on a hard surface, and it's kind of neatly organized, so that way I'm not going to lose all my screws. And then you have the firm background for it. Now, after you remove all the screws, you're going to flip it over, and then the top piece should just pop right off. Like that. Now you're going to look this way, and you're going to have the disk drive, which you're going to have to lift up to remove. There's going to be 2 little plugs in the back. Start off with removing the white one. Okay? Secondly, we'll start with removing the black one. Okay? Now here is where we refer to these little prongs right here and a big memory gem which is over here. Now, the heat kicked on in the background, which doesn't really help with voice. But then you're gonna take about a hammer about this size, and from here, you fix all the problems.
Now once you've done that, you're gonna have to slightly elevate the Xbox, tilt it upward a little bit so this way you get the right leverage, and then whip it down. Once it's down, you can probably kick it around a little bit or so, and that's how you fix the red ring of death.